Thank you, Dan. 4 days after a tornado tore through Garland, some places are still too dangerous for storm victims.
Those folks anxious to get back and search, see what's left of their homes. Dion, live in Garland near I-30 and Bobtown Road.
Yeah, that is right. FEMA, of course, will be touring this area today, and that's to begin the process to get help from Washington. All of this an effort coming together with the help of Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins. We are waiting now for confirmation on an itinerary for those damage assessment teams. They will get an up-close look at the tornado damage. Here, where more than 200 homes have been either destroyed or damaged, and as you mentioned, at a nearby apartment complex, it's still too hazardous to search, and some folks are still looking for their missing pets, and that's upsetting to them.
If someone could take me back there, I don't care if someone has to go with me. I could go by myself. It doesn't matter. I just want to look for him. I think he's in there.
Well, we understand there's no timeline on when that area, that complex will be made safe enough for them to get inside. That from the police department just minutes ago. Things are just too hazardous, we understand. Also, we understand that 2 people are unaccounted for still throughout these devastated areas, and police are just hopeful that those folks have not checked in yet, have not been in touch with their loved ones. And also this morning or today, we understand that U.S. Senator Ted Cruz will also be in the area. He's expected to tour the damaged areas to get things going for federal aid as well. It's the latest live here now in Garland. Tim, Lauren, back to you.